of the test was to arrive at the track, and we have a Formula One driver, Liam Lawson, coming there to run the car for us.
It's got more downforce, so in high speed, you carry more speed.
He was blown away with the performance and just how immediately he could feel the difference.
Aox is a shape optimization software we're currently developing.
Designed to unify every stage of aerodynamic development into a single automated workflow. Traditional aero development has relied upon numerous software tools and repetitive manual work. Aox integrates all these fragmented elements, mesh generation, simulation, optimization and visualization into one cohesive system.
Yeah, man, way more grip, way more grip.
That is crazy.
Oh my God.
Aox will be a powerful tool for both designers and engineers.
And that was a very memorable moment for me because as a designer, because the design also didn't look that bad. It looked great.
This allows us to spend more time working on what are the bigger changes that we can potentially make.
The fundamental principles behind Aox are widely applicable. Essentially, anything that moves through air,
including cars, motorcycles, truck cabins, drones, helmets, and even golf club heads. And we can't wait to see what you do with Aox.
Aero for everyone.